Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application, and after my TikTok has been opened, I'm going to go to my profile, click on this profile button, and if we want to change our name on TikTok, we can go to edit profile. Okay, and as you can see here, we'll be able to change our name, and this is my current name and I'm going to change it. Okay, I'm just going to add like number to my name, and then we can click on save. Okay, then you can click on confirm. Okay, and now as you can see guys that my name on TikTok has been changed, and that's so easy, right? Alright guys, and that's all the way to change our name on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.